Hi everyone, this is Sunrise May.
And this is Cece.
And today we're going to take you through Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. This is one of the newest rides in Disney's Hollywood Studios, and it's in the location of the Grauman's Chinese Theater, and it's replaced the Great Movie Ride not too long ago. So as you can see, those of you that recognize the queue area for the Great Movie Ride, it is very similar. It does have that section that we're walking through right now is not working because you are not allowed to hang out in small spaces because of different guidelines at the moment, but hopefully that'll be up and running one day. This is the Run Amok Park map, and that's actually where the ride will be taking us through. And you have a loading area where you are actually going to be boarding a railroad.
Okay, so now in a few seconds, and now is when we're gonna board.
So the rows seat about 4 people.
4 or more, but they only let like 1 per car because social distancing guidelines. So the car is very spacious.
So as you can see, as you're entering that first area, it is very colorful.
Yes, it is. And spoiler alert, they do go to different places. And we get scattered.
Don't tell them just yet. So we have now our train conductor, Goofy. And of course, we all know that once Goofy gets involved, things get a little goofy.
Yes.
And here we have Mickey and Minnie in their car coming up. And their screens and their faces are actually really cool. And now...
now we get some scattered. And I think Minnie and Minnie knocked down a sign that is conducted so you can go to different places.
So this is the first room that we're going to enter. It is like a desert scene, and it's hard to see in the video, but it's completely around you. It's 360 degrees, very immersive and very cool.
It's very cool. The lights just brighten up.
And here we're now like in the fair area.
And Minnie is right
They're gonna float up right on top.
I always look at Donald because he made mustard with his glasses. And then there's a tornado and it's going all over. Oh geez, Donald is getting his clothes out.
Yep, and here's a tornado, and now we're getting into the tornado area.
Yes, and when we were recording, Sunrise May, her hair was all over, and I had to take it out so she could see.
Yeah, if you have Mickey ears or a hat in that section, they're going to fly away.
Yes. And then another.
Here we're like in a volcano scene, and this is like one of the coolest parts.
I love this. It's like it's surrounding you. Feel like they're actually in it.
And here it does feel like you're gonna fall. The cart and everything tilts forward, and then it feels like you've splashed into this underwater area.
And then now
this screen, now we're gonna go to a different room.
These screens are like the best, I think.
And now we're swimming under the ocean.
And it's so cool with the trumpets and the animals. And now, Mr. Pete.
We're going through like the underground pipe area.
Yes, and Mr. Pete there is, I think, drilling a hole in the floor.
And you can kind of see the camera shaking.
Because it
looks like they're drilling in the ground.
Yeah, Mr. Pete is a mister. And now
this is my favorite part of the whole ride.
It's Mrs. Daisy, who is a dance teacher.
And now you're going to be able to see that
the car moves. You ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I love this part. This is my favorite part. And then this part is going to come up now. It's going to be so fun. And then it goes really happy.
Now here's the cha-cha.
And then you go all over the place.
And I will tell you, hold on tight, because as you can see there, it was quite a challenge just to kind of stay in my seat. So they do tell you to make sure that you are strapped tightly for a reason.
Yes, and put your bags not outside, but like between.
Closer to the floor, yeah. And I can tell you that the first time we rode this one, I think we were in a different cart, because every time that you ride, your cart ends up in a different spot in the rooms. And we were the cart that was closest to it, and it really did feel like we were going to get stopped. And then it's amazing how all of a sudden, now you're like in a completely different area.
And then you just like go in like a completely different room. We're biking up, basically. And I'm like, how do you do that? Well, the first time we actually ride this, it shut down on us. It was the worst. And there's Mickey and Minnie there, and there's Goofy popping up over there. And they're singing, "Nothing can stop us now." And that's kind of the end of the movie, the train track and the.
So here, you're going now towards the area where you're going to be getting off of the ride, and then there's like a cute little bird that you cannot miss. That's all the way at the top. As there are hidden Mickey fireworks. Don't forget to look up.
There it is.
So
thank you for watching, guys. See you later.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog, sunrisemay.com.
Yes, thank you. Bye.